As you can tell by the recording, I'm doing this on Android, but the process is exactly the same. Now, let's open up Spotify and play a random track. As you can see, Spotify is now playing. The music is not paused. Now, let's open up YouTube and click on a random video. Now, with the YouTube app open, as you can see, Spotify is still playing and not paused. Let's click on a random video. Now, as you can see, the video is playing and not paused. Now, if I pull up the bar, you will notice that Spotify has automatically paused itself. If I try to play the Spotify track once again, the YouTube video will automatically pause itself. So, what this means is that currently, as of 2022, it is not possible to play Spotify while watching a YouTube video both on iPhone and Android. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people know that this is not possible.